For most of my life, I thought peace was something I was going to find someday. Someday when life got slower, someday when I had fewer responsibilities, when I had everything figured out. But life has a funny way of teaching us lessons. I love spirituality, I love meditation, but I realize that peace isn't something that lives in a crystal. It isn't hiding in a meditation cushion, and it isn't something that we buy. It's something we practice. And practice usually looks a lot less glamorous than we think. Most days it looks like making breakfast, taking care of people we love, and showing up for another ordinary Monday. Some days I'm working on my body, trying to stay healthy, trying to take care of myself, not because I'm trying to become perfect, but because the version of me deserves care too. Then it's on to the next thing because life keeps moving, and most of us wear lots of hats. I'm a mom and a wife and a business owner. I'm a teacher, a coach, and like everyone else, I'm still learning as I go. There was a time when I thought being spiritual meant stepping away from the world. Now I think it means bringing more peace into the world you already are living in, into work, into your conversations, into the responsibilities you already have. Even something as simple as making compost reminds me of that. Nature wastes nothing. What looks like an ending becomes a nourishment for something new. The truth is, most of our lives are made up of these little moments, not the vacations, not the milestones, not the highlight reels, just an ordinary Tuesday morning. The garden teaches me over and over again that nothing blooms all year. Nothing grows overnight. Everything has a season, including us. And before you know it, it's dinner time again. Another ordinary moment, another opportunity to be present, and another opportunity to stop rushing through the life you're trying so hard to build. I think one big mistake we make is believing our real life starts later. Later, when we have more money, later, when we healed, later, when our kids are older, when things calm down. But life keeps whispering the same lessons to me. This is it. This moment, this day, this season.